Good day, everyone. Welcome to the AutoCAD Electrical training course. In this video demonstration, we will take a glance at the AutoCAD Electrical interface. So, let us begin. To launch AutoCAD Electrical, go to the taskbar Start button and type AutoCAD Electrical into the search box. Select the AutoCAD Electrical icon from the displayed list. It will start up, and when the background processing is finished, screen will display the interface. The first AutoCAD Electrical screen is divided into 3 columns. The first column is for starting drawings. The second column is for opening the most recently opened documents. The third column is where you log into your Autodesk account. On the left side of the screen, there is also a project manager, which has all of the recently opened projects. If we click on any project, the details of that project are displayed in the Details window, under Project Manager menu. At the bottom of screen, you can see Learn and Create options. If we click on Learn, video tutorials can be seen. These video tutorials are for beginners, which explains basic tools of AutoCAD Electrical. That is all for today, about the interface of AutoCAD Electrical. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe Tech N. Goodbye.